In this video, I'll be showing you how to insert an SD card on your Nintendo Switch 2. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now I have my Nintendo Switch 2 right here. If you want to insert an SD card, it's kind of hidden, but we're firstly going to go over to our system settings, then scroll down until you find data management, and then you're going to see move data between console/micro SD card, and then it's going to say that no micro SD express cards are connected. Just make sure it's an actual micro SD and not a normal SD card. You can even see the difference right here as well, but then just press OK. Now, one thing to note is you should definitely have your console completely turned off before you go ahead and do this. But once it's turned off, all you want to do is go ahead and switch your console around, and then you're going to see this little dock station right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip this upwards, and now when you flip it upwards, you're going to see a nice little micro SD slot right here, right under there. So you just slide it in there, and then that's it. It's going to automatically register, and you'll just have to power on your Nintendo Switch 2 again, and then yeah, it's just going to be registered. So now whenever you go over to your settings like so, go down to data management, you're going to see a micro SD slot taking up that space right there, and then you'll be good to go. Now if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.